Hello children, welcome to today's social science class. In this video, we are going to understand a very important topic, democracy. By the end of this video, you will know what is democracy, why do we need democracy, features of democracy, how election works, how the voting process is going to be, what is Indian democracy, and all. Now let's begin. In olden days, kings would have ruled our country. Gradually, rule of the king disappeared and made way for the rule of the people's democracy. What is democracy? The word democracy comes from the two Greek words demos and kratio. Demos means people, kratia means rule. So, democracy means ruled by the people. In a democracy, people choose their leaders by voting. This means the power is in the hands of the citizens. Example, if students vote to choose a class leader, that is democracy. Why do we need democracy? We need democracy because everyone gets chance to participate in the democracy. No one can misuse the power. It protects our freedom. It gives equal rights to everyone. Now let us study one by one. Everyone gets chance to participate. In democracy, all the citizens of a particular country gets equal chance to participate in state issues such as voting in an election. No one can misuse the powers. All the powers are vested in the hands of the people. It protects our freedom. People here choose their own representative to govern. It gives equal rights to everyone. All the people are equal before the law. Democracy ensures decisions are made for the people, by the people, and of the people. Now let us study about types of government. There are three important types of government. First one, monarchy. Now what is monarchy? A monarchy is a type of government in which a king or queen rules. People cannot choose the leaders. The king and the queen rules the people, but they cannot choose the leaders. Second type of government is dictatorship. In this system, one person holds all the powers and no elections are conducted. There is no freedom for people. Here one dictator rules the people. Third important type of government is democracy. In this democracy, people choose leaders and the people's rights are protected in democracy. Now let us study about the features of democracy. First feature is elections. In democracy, people vote to choose their leaders in elections. Second important features of democracy is universal adult franchise. All the adults above 18 years can vote in these elections to choose their leaders. Third important feature is equality. Here in this, all the people has equal rights. Nobody is denied of rights here. Fourth important feature of democracy is rule by law. Here, no one is above the law. All the people are equal in the hands of the law. Fifth and important feature of democracy is freedom of expression. Here, people can express own opinions freely without hurting the feelings of other people. Sixth important feature of democracy is accountability. Here, leaders are responsible to the people and they should obey the people. Now let us study how elections works in the democracy. I will tell one small story that a school elects a school captain. 3 candidates stands for the election. One girl is Asha, another candidate is Rahul, and another candidate is Meena. Here, 3 children stands for the election, and each one of them have their different symbols. Asha chose star symbol, Rahul chose book symbol, and Meena chose tree symbol. Here, the students vote privately, and they have chosen their own leader in election. Here, votes are counted and Guess children, who will win in the election? Whoever gets the maximum number of the votes will win in the elections. Here in this story, Meena got maximum number of votes and she won in the election. This is how election works in the democracy. Now let us study about the responsibilities of the citizens. Before going to that, what is election then? Election and voting. The process of choosing people's representatives is called as election. Voting is an important part of election process. Person who is aged 18 years and above have the right to vote and contest in election. Electors elect candidates through a secret ballot. Each candidate here is given a symbol. Even illiterates can vote with the help of the symbol. Now, let us study about the importance of voting. In an election, citizens express their choice of representative by voting. It provides scope for the representation of all the groups of people. Now, let us learn about election process, how the election process is going to take place. Election is held according to a calendar of event. There will be a timetable to do the election. Firstly, election notification will be issued, and then filing of nomination by the candidates will be done, and then scrutiny of the nomination will be done. After the scrutiny of the nominations, withdrawal of nomination by those who do not want to contest in election. There will be given chance for the candidates to withdraw their nomination forms who don't want to contest the elections. Fifth important process in the election process is canvassing by the candidates and their supporters. In this process, the candidates will canvass in the elections with their symbols and tell people about the and candidates will give manifestos, declarations, charters and pamphlets to attract the public. Sixth important process is seeking the vote on a specified date. Seventh important process in the election is counting of the votes, voting, and then voting announcements of the results will be done. Last one is the important election process, publication of the list of the successful candidates. Here, the list of the candidates whoever won in the election will be declared. Now let us know about the responsibilities of the citizens. In democracy, citizens must know their responsibilities properly. They must vote honestly, they must follow the rules and regulation, they must respect each other, they must participate in the society, and they must stay informed. These are the important responsibilities of the citizen. Democracy in India. India is the largest democratic country in the world. Elections are held every 5 years in India. India democracy will work in 3 levels. Lok Sabha, national level, state legislative assemblies, we call it Rajya Sabha in Karnataka, panchayats and municipalities in local level. Children, I hope you have learnt many things and many concepts in this class. Now let's sum up. What is democracy? Democracy is the rule by the people. People vote to choose their elected representatives. Equality, freedom, laws are the key features of the democracy. India is the world's largest democratic country. Citizens must act responsibly. These are some of the important sum up points in this class. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you all have learned some concepts of democracy. See you in the next class. Have a wonderful day.